Welcome to Star Technology 5G. If you want to earn money online and start working from home, and become a freelancer but don't know where to begin, don't worry, in this tutorial, I will teach you what a freelancer is and how it will work. And where is the best place to start your work. Let's start the video. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a type of self-employment. Instead of being employed by a company, freelancers tend to work as self-employed, delivering their services on a contract or project basis. Freelancing comes in many different shapes and sizes. Some people act as freelance designers, some people act as freelance writers, and some act as freelance consultants. No matter what type of freelancer you are, at the end of the day, you're providing a service to your clients. Freelancers are responsible for paying their own taxes, health insurance, pension, and other personal contributions. Freelancing provides a lot of flexibility and control to the individual. Most freelancers choose their own hours, the work that they do, the clients they work with, and may even be able to work remotely. Where does the term freelancer come from? The term freelance dates back to the 1800s, when a freelance referred to a medieval mercenary who would fight for whichever nation or person paid them the most. The term lance referred to the long weapon that knights on horseback used to knock opponents off of their horses. How does freelancing work? Freelancer is a marketplace-like website where employers post a job. When someone posts a job in the freelancer market, the owner of the marketplace earns some commission. And when some freelancer finds a job or project on the freelance market, freelancers accept payment in return for providing some sort of service, and again, owner of freelancers market earns some commission. For example, if I hired a photographer to take new headshots for me, I could pay a freelancer for that session and that would be the end of it. What are the advantages of being a freelancer? Freelancing and side business can lead to new opportunities for growth in both your professional and personal life. Here are some specific benefits of doing freelance work on the side while fully employed. With the number of freelancers on the rise year on year, many describe the decision to go freelance as life-changing. Here are a few of the commonly touted advantages to quitting the standard 9-to-5 job and becoming a freelancer. You are not restricted to a 9-to-5 schedule. You can choose your working hours that best suit for you. The main advantage of working as a freelancer is that you are not restricted to time schedule. You can choose your working hours that best suit for you. Flexibility to decide how, when, and where to work. You do not have to ask anyone's permission to work from home. One of the biggest perks of being a freelancer is that you don't have to ask anyone's permission. You are your own boss. You can start your work in any place you like. You'll also have the freedom of choosing the clients you actually want to work with. Once your business is running smoothly, you'll also have the freedom of choosing the clients. And that's a wonderful feeling. Whenever you feel like you don't mesh with the client's personality, don't like someone's attitude or payment terms, you can shift your energy to finding a new client instead of fighting constant battles with the client. As a freelancer, you can keep your all profit. One of the best things about working as a freelancer is that you can see a direct link between working hard and your account balance. Since you keep all the after-tax profits, it is also up to you to decide how you want to allocate and spend the money. What are the disadvantages of being a freelancer? If freelancing has some advantages, then it also has some disadvantages. Here are some common disadvantages of freelancing. Whenever you run into issues with clients, receive a complaint, there's no legal or HR support. There is no HR support if you have a problem with a client. You should resolve these issues on your own, which can be draining at times. The best way to reduce the impact of these issues is to sign a freelance contract before engaging with a new client or get freelancer insurance. Joining a freelancers union can also be a great way to access outside support and helpful resources. If you work from home all the time and have little interaction with the outside world, it can get lonely very quickly. People tend to have the hardest time when they're facing business challenges and have to shoulder all the responsibility alone. To overcome these negative feelings, More and more freelancers are joining co-working spaces in their area, which are, typically, affordably priced, shared workspaces allowing freelancers to escape isolation, and separate their home life from work life. Networking groups are another way for freelancers to meet like-minded people from varying expertise levels, offering the opportunity to learn, share and create new business relationships. Your monthly income will depend entirely on the amount of work you manage to do as well as on the goodwill of your clients. Unless you manage to secure recurring monthly revenue, locking in regular payments can be a challenge. It is very difficult to manage your time if you have a number of projects pending. How much can I get paid freelancing? According to the study, the median freelance income is $20 to $28 per hour. Of course, with so many different freelance jobs available, that number can vary quite a bit. Transcription services may only earn $5 to $10 per hour, while software engineering roles may earn $75 or even hundreds of dollars per hour. It's best to compare the freelance rates of your particular skill set to get a good estimate of the expected income you could earn as a freelancer. It depends on your skill, your experience, and your interest. If you work hard, you will get more income. You are not bound to a fixed salary when freelancing. If you work more, you will earn more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.